Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be diving into the Tableau Certified Data Analyst exam, a key certification for professionals looking to validate their skills in data analysis using Tableau. Whether you are preparing for the exam or just curious about what it entails, this video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the exam guide and what you need to know to succeed. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe now. This is my channel Goms Tech Talks, and here you can find the tutorials for Tableau, like Tableau, both for Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep Builder. So you can find it here. Okay, so this is for Tableau and this is for Tableau Prep Builder because these are important for your certification. And if you have any queries related to the technology or how to go for the certification, or if you wanted to if you want me to prepare for the strategy like exam strategy, exam cracking strategy, so you can schedule a call with me. The link is there in the description. And if you are looking for any interview, like if you're planning for the interview, so here you have a Tableau interview preparation guidelines, so you can get it from here. Let's dive into it. So the Tableau Certified Data Analyst exam is designed for individuals who want to demonstrate their ability to apply analytical skills to solve real-world business problems using Tableau. The certification focuses on evaluating your ability to work with data, analyze it, and visualize it effectively. So let's break down the exam part. So if you want to understand what is this certification is all about, so if you are a Tableau, if you have a hands-on development skills, or if you are a partner, if you are a customer or the freelancer, then you should definitely do it in the Tableau. Okay, so here you will be learning about connecting to the data sources, perform data transformation, explore and analyze data, create meaningful visualizations that answer key business questions, share content and keep the content current by publishing, scheduling and maintaining it on the web. So here they expect at least you should have minimum 6 months of experience with Tableau and the Tableau products, including Tableau Prep, Tableau Desktop and either a Tableau server or online. So it is expected that you should have at least 6 months, but few will be having experience within 3 months. They'll be working very hard with that. So it's good if you have even 3 or 5 months of experience. So this is what you can find the complete exam overview. So we are just going to talk about the exam overview. So this is a knowledge based question. You will be having a knowledge based question which is 40 to 46 items. Okay, so 40 to 46 questions with a multiple choice question, multiple select, active screen items like drag and drop, matching it, etc. And this will be prior to your exam. Okay, so there will be a tutorial, so you have to understand all these things, and you should also perform 8 to 10 hands-on labs. Okay, so this is a pre-exam tutorial which also includes examples of what you will experience in the hands-on lab section. And here you can see that this is like, as of now they are currently testing on 2022. We are in 2024, so but they just only concentrating on 2022. The time limit is 120 minutes, which includes 3 minutes of reviewing the NDA and 5 minutes for tutorial. So totally you should block your 2 hours of calendar, but I always prefer so you can take half an hour before the buffer time and half an hour after the buffer time. So you should block your 3 hours of time, okay, when you are planning for the exam. And the passing score is 750. That is, out of 1000 you should get 750 marks. Results will be reported with you within 48 hours, but you will immediately get it. Okay, and there are no prerequisites like whether you have to complete any basic exams or something, nothing like that. And this is the registration fee, like you have to pay nearly $250 plus applicable tax. Okay, and if you are planning to reschedule your exam, you have to pay $25. And this is a proctored exam. You can either use, like you can even do it online. Okay, like you can write your exam being at home or being at office. I prefer being in your home because in office there may be some firewall issues and the connectivity issue. And the second one is you can even go and do in the nearest test center. Okay, exam check-in is what you have to log in before 30 minutes of the exam. So they'll be having some basic tests like your identification, ID verification, your room verification. You should not have anything, no hard copies or anything, nothing should be there in your place. Okay, so here you can register for your exam. You have to create your account here and you have to enroll for this exam. Okay, you can just go ahead and create certificate like your account in the Tableau. You have to navigate to the schedule my exam and you have to choose. So this is what the cert metrics, you can find it. You have to log in, you have to create it and go ahead with that. So on the Pearson dashboard you can schedule, like you can proceed with that. I always prefer you to just go ahead and schedule your exam at least 15 days before. For example, if you are planning to write your exam on 28th, you have to schedule it by today or tomorrow. Okay, so it is good so that you will be ready you will be mentally ready for your exam, and it is good that you are very clear about your dates and the timelines. Okay, and what other things they are talking about is what the technical requirements and the certifications and system test. You have to conduct your system test, everything before. If you want to really know how to schedule a Tableau exam, just comment schedule exam. I will be telling you like how to schedule your exam. And this is your exam structure. Okay, so the exam structure, the first section is a knowledge base, which is 20 to 25 items of varying types, no hands-on. The second section of the exam is a hands-on lab with 8 to 10 tasks. Okay, and the section requires the candidate to demonstrate their skills using a Tableau time management consideration, and it is recommended to allow yourself 30 to 45 minutes to complete the hands-on section of the exam. And the third section is the which resembles the first section, which is 20 to 25 of knowledge based exam but no hands-on lab tasks. Okay, so as I told, you will be having 40 to 45 questions, that is multiple choice and everything, active screen and everything, and 8 to 10 which is a lab session. Okay, so you can find everything, and the results and scoring you will be getting it within 48 hours. Sometimes you will be getting it immediately. And this is the analyst learning path. They are just asking you to go ahead with the analyst learning path completely. This is a learning path provided by Tableau itself. You can get it from the e-learning product. Okay, so you can just go ahead with start for free and proceed with the learning path. And this is the final outline. Okay, so it actually starts with connect to the data, connect to and transform data, which is for 24% of exam. Explore and analyze data, which is 41%. So you have to concentrate on this. Create content, which is 26%. Publish and manage the Tableau server and the cloud, which is 9%. So they have given like what you have to concentrate on. So I always recommend you to just go ahead with these two first. That is you should understand, you should give more priority to these two topic, and then you can go ahead with domain 1 and domain 4. So what is there in the domain 1, that is a content and the transformed data. So what is there actually? This is what you will be learning about, how to connect the data source. Okay, this domain assesses your ability to connect to a different data sources and prepare data for analysis. You will need to be familiar with connecting to databases, spreadsheets and cloud data sources. Additionally, you should know how to handle data blending and joining, as well as using Tableau Prep for data preparation. So this is what Tableau Prep you should know. So just go ahead and learn it here. You have Tableau Prep Builder here to learn about it. And next to talk about, you can also see customizing the fields. Okay, and next to talk about is what exploring the data, which is actually they are concentrating on 41% of the question you can expect from this. Okay, so this section evaluates your skill in exploring and preparing data for analysis. You will need to demonstrate your ability to clean and transform the data, manage metadata, and create calculated fields. This also includes working with data hierarchies, aggregations, and creating sets and groups. So you will be getting a lot of questions here. So as of my understanding, I'm just telling, and also create a custom table calculations. You will be getting a lot of questions from here. Okay, the third module is for create a content. So this domain, is basically you will be creating a charts, you'll be creating a dashboards and storyboards. You have to add the interactivity to the dashboard and format the visuals as well. And finally, the domain 4, which is publish and manage content and on Tableau server and cloud. So you should know how to publish the content, publish the data source, print the content and export the content like PDF, PPT and everything. You should know how to schedule the data updates, okay, like how to schedule it in the Tableau prep workflow, and also schedule data extract refreshes. And finally, you should learn how to manage the workbook. Okay, so these things are important, and you should maintain your certification. So this certificate, once you get this, it is valid for 2 years. Okay, and to maintain your active certification, you have to pass the corresponding exam again. Okay, so this is very, very important, and you'll be receiving all the benefits, okay, and the discounts. So you will be receiving the digital badges for expired titles will remain available to you. You can also use it, and you can that will be like updated as the expired. Okay, so these are the thing. You have to review the exam guide, you have to use the Tableau resources, hands-on practice, join the study groups, take practice exams, and you can also watch all these videos here provided to you in my channel. Okay, so yes, and that's a wrap on our review of Tableau Certified Data Analyst exam. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on Tableau and other data related topics. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your exam preparation.